Hello, today we will guide you through how to open saved workspace in ThinkorSwim. A workspace is your personalized trading environment, the layout of your charts, your studies and drawings, your watch lists, and any gadgets you use. Opening a saved workspace helps you instantly get back to a setup that works for your strategy without rebuilding everything from scratch. Start by opening the ThinkorSwim application on your computer. Sign in if prompted, and give the platform a moment to fully load. You'll know it's ready when your charts and data populate and the top menu becomes responsive. A stable internet connection helps ensure your saved layouts appear correctly and load quickly. Next, move your eyes to the top right corner of the platform interface. There you'll find the Setup menu. It typically appears as the word Setup with a small arrow close to the Help icon and your application settings. Click to open this menu. This is where ThinkorSwim keeps workspace options along with other platform preferences. Inside the Setup menu, look for your saved workspace by name. The example you might see is something like Sample Workspace, but yours may be labeled with whatever name you chose when you saved it previously. The list can be alphabetical, and sometimes you'll see entries like Auto-Saved alongside your own saved titles. If your workspace name is long, hover over it to read the full text. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the exact layout you want, especially if you keep multiple versions. When you see the workspace you want, click it to load. ThinkorSwim may ask if you'd like to save any changes to your current workspace before switching. Choose the option that best fits your situation. After confirming, give the platform a brief moment to apply the layout. You should see your charts, studies, and gadgets rearrange to match what you saved. If certain elements don't appear immediately, wait a few seconds for data to refresh, then glance back at the Setup menu to confirm the correct workspace is active. That's all it takes to open a saved workspace. For a smoother experience next time, consider using clear descriptive names when you save your layout so you can recognize them at a glance. And remember, you can always return to the Setup menu to switch between different saved workspaces as your trading needs change throughout the day. With these steps, you can reliably load the exact environment you need in just a few clicks, helping you focus on analysis and execution instead of rebuilding your screen.